The next big wealth opportunity everyone should know about. Introduction. Wealth creation is often misunderstood as simply working harder or longer. While effort matters, the most crucial factor in building lasting wealth is being in the right place at the right time with the right idea. History shows that those who recognize major shifts in technology, culture, and the economy early can create tremendous value and wealth, while others miss these opportunities altogether. Take, for example, the rise of the internet in the 1990s. Visionaries who saw its potential before it became mainstream built companies like Amazon, Google, and Facebook, fundamentally changing the world and accumulating vast fortunes. Meanwhile, many who were slow to adapt lost out on those early gains. Today, we stand at the precipice of a similarly transformative era. The digital economy is growing faster than ever, powered by groundbreaking innovations that are creating entirely new ways to generate income, build businesses, and invest. Understanding these emerging opportunities and positioning yourself early isn't just smart, it could be life-changing. Whether you want to escape the traditional 9-to-5 grind, grow your wealth, or create a lasting legacy, knowing where the next wave of wealth is coming from is critical. In this guide, we will explore the 3 key pillars of this next big wealth opportunity: artificial intelligence and automation, how machines are revolutionizing work and creating new markets; the creator economy and digital content, how individuals are turning creativity into thriving businesses online; decentralized finance and Web3 technologies, how blockchain is reshaping finance and ownership in the digital age. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of these powerful trends, why they matter, and practical steps to start positioning yourself today for success in this new digital frontier.
Artificial intelligence, AI, and automation. Deep dive. What is AI? Artificial intelligence refers to machines and software that can mimic human intelligence, learning, and decision-making. This includes things like understanding speech, recognizing images, solving problems, and generating text or art. AI systems get smarter over time by learning from data, which means they keep improving without needing explicit instructions for every task. Types of AI. Narrow AI, designed for specific tasks like voice assistants, Siri, Alexa, spam filtering, or recommendation engines. General AI, still theoretical, AI that can perform any human intellectual task. Why AI and automation are disruptive. AI and automation don't just replace human jobs, they create new ways to work, innovate, and serve customers. Automation takes repetitive tasks off human hands, allowing people to focus on creativity, strategy, and complex problem-solving. Examples of automation: chatbots answering customer service questions 24/7, software that automatically analyzes data for insights, machines assembling products on factory lines without breaks. AI opportunities for entrepreneurs and side hustlers. AI tools development. Many small businesses want to automate marketing, data entry, or customer follow-ups. Entrepreneurs who can build easy-to-use AI tools or plugins for existing platforms are in demand. Consulting. Help companies figure out which tasks can be automated and guide them through implementation. Content creation. AI tools like ChatGPT can assist in generating articles, scripts, social media posts, or even creative writing, helping creators scale their output. AI education. Many people want to learn AI basics but don't know where to start. Creating beginner-friendly courses, tutorials, or coaching services fills a huge gap.
How to start with AI, beginner-friendly. Experiment with free AI tools. Start by using ChatGPT for writing, DALL-E or Midjourney for AI-generated art, and voice-to-text software for transcription. Take beginner courses. Platforms like Coursera offer AI introduction courses. Many are free or affordable. Build small projects. Automate simple personal or business tasks, like scheduling social media posts or sorting emails. Join communities. Participate in forums like Reddit's r/machine learning or AI-focused Discord servers to learn and network. Real success story. Maria, a graphic designer, started using AI art generators to speed up her design drafts. Soon, she offered affordable AI-assisted design services to small businesses, growing a side income that later became her full-time business. Key cautions. AI tools can sometimes produce incorrect or biased results. Always verify outputs. Privacy and data security are important when dealing with AI and automation. Continuous learning is essential as AI technology evolves rapidly. 2. The creator economy and digital content. Deep dive. What is the creator economy? The creator economy is a new wave where individual creators build businesses around their personal talents, skills, or passions using digital platforms. Unlike traditional media, creators no longer need big studios, publishers, or labels. They connect directly with their audience, building trust and monetizing their content in many ways. Why it's exploding now? Accessible tools. Smartphones, editing apps, and streaming services make content creation easy. Monetization platforms. YouTube, Patreon, TikTok, Substack, and others offer creators multiple income streams. Global audience. The internet allows creators to reach fans worldwide instantly. Shift in consumer behavior. People prefer authentic, relatable content over polished corporate ads. Main ways creators make money. Ad revenue. Platforms pay creators based on views or clicks, like YouTube's AdSense.
Sponsorships and brand deals. Companies pay creators to promote products to their audience. Subscriptions and memberships. Fans pay monthly for exclusive content, Patreon, OnlyFans. Selling products or services, merchandise, courses, consulting, or digital downloads. Crowdfunding. Platforms like Kickstarter allow creators to fund projects upfront. How to start your creator journey. Find your niche. What are you passionate about? What value can you provide? This could be anything: gaming, cooking, teaching, or comedy. Pick your platform. Choose where your target audience spends time: TikTok for short videos, YouTube for longer tutorials, Substack for newsletters. Start creating. Don't wait for perfection. Upload consistently and learn from feedback. Engage with your audience. Reply to comments, ask questions, and build a community. Experiment with monetization. Start with ad revenue or sponsorships, then explore memberships or products. Real success stories. Emma Chamberlain, a teenager who turned relatable vlogging into a multi-million-dollar career through brand deals and product lines. Pat Flynn built a business sharing passive income strategies through podcasts and online courses. The Try Guys started on YouTube and expanded into books, merchandise, and live shows. Tools and resources. Content creation, Canva design, Adobe Premiere Rush video editing, Audacity audio editing. Monetization, Patreon, Ko-Fi, Teachable, Gumroad. Community building, Discord, Telegram, Facebook groups. Common challenges, burnout. Constant content production can be exhausting. Plan breaks. Algorithms. Platforms change how content is shown. Diversify your presence. Income variability. Monetization may fluctuate. Build multiple income streams. Safety and authenticity tips. Protect your privacy. Don't overshare personal details. Stay authentic. Audiences value honesty. Beware of scams, especially fake sponsorship offers.
3. Decentralized Finance and Web3 Technologies. Deep dive. What are DeFi and Web3? Decentralized Finance, DeFi, is a new financial ecosystem built on blockchain technology that allows users to borrow, lend, trade, and invest without traditional banks or intermediaries. Instead of relying on centralized institutions, DeFi platforms run on open-source code that anyone can access and verify. Web3 refers to the next generation of the Internet, where users control their own data, identities, and digital assets through decentralized networks. It uses blockchain and cryptocurrencies to create a more open, user-owned Internet. Why DeFi and Web3 matter for wealth creation. Financial inclusion. Millions worldwide can now access banking and investment tools without traditional barriers. New investment opportunities. Yield farming, staking, and token launches offer high returns, though with risks. Ownership and monetization. NFTs, non-fungible tokens, let creators sell unique digital items directly to fans. Programmable money. Smart contracts automate agreements and payments, reducing costs and increasing trust. Key concepts to understand. Blockchain, a digital ledger where transactions are recorded across many computers securely. Cryptocurrency, digital money like Bitcoin or Ethereum used within blockchain systems. Smart contracts, self-executing contracts coded to enforce agreements automatically.
Tokens, digital assets representing value, ownership, or voting rights on a blockchain. NFTs, unique digital collectibles or assets verifiable on a blockchain. Wealth-building paths in DeFi and Web3. Yield farming and staking, locking up cryptocurrencies to earn interest or rewards. Trading tokens, buying and selling cryptocurrencies or tokens for profit. Building dApps, developing decentralized apps that provide services without intermediaries. Creating and selling NFTs, artists and creators can mint and sell unique digital items.
Participating in DAOs, decentralized autonomous organizations, allow token holders to govern projects and share profits. Real-world success stories, crypto millionaires, early Bitcoin or Ethereum adopters who held their assets through growth phases. NFT artists, creators like Beeple sold digital art for millions, opening new markets for artists. DeFi projects, platforms like Uniswap and Aave have grown to billions in user value by enabling decentralized trading and lending. Getting started safely. Education is critical. Use trusted resources like Binance Academy, CoinDesk, or specialized courses to learn basics. Start small. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Crypto markets are volatile. Use secure wallets. Hardware wallets, Ledger, Trezor, keep your assets safe from hacks. Verify projects. Research team, technology, and community before investing. Beware of scams and pump-and-dump schemes. Stay updated. Follow reputable influencers, forums, and news sites to track developments. Tools and platforms to explore. Wallets, MetaMask, Trust Wallet, Coinbase Wallet. Exchanges, Binance, Coinbase, decentralized exchanges, Uniswap, SushiSwap. NFT marketplaces, OpenSea, Rarible, Foundation. Learning resources, Masari, The Defiant, Bankless Newsletter. Common challenges and risks. Volatility. Prices of tokens can swing dramatically in short timeframes. Security risks. Hacks and phishing attacks are common. Protect your keys carefully. Regulatory uncertainty. Laws around crypto are still evolving worldwide. Technical complexity. Understanding smart contracts and wallets can be confusing at first. Long-term vision. DeFi and Web3 are still in early stages, but they promise a future where financial services are more accessible, transparent, and controlled by users rather than centralized powers. Early adopters who educate themselves and act cautiously can find significant wealth-building opportunities.
Conclusion. Seize the future. Your moment is now. The future of wealth creation is unfolding right before our eyes, driven by innovations that are rewriting the rules of business, finance, and creativity. Artificial intelligence is transforming industries at lightning speed. The creator economy empowers individuals to monetize their unique talents and passions like never before. And decentralized finance is democratizing access to financial systems once reserved for the few. These aren't distant trends. They are active, growing opportunities that are reshaping how everyday people can build wealth and freedom. The question isn't if you should engage with these shifts, but when and how. The most important lesson from history is clear. Those who recognize and act on emerging opportunities early are the ones who unlock lasting financial success. Waiting too long means missing out, while jumping in without preparation risks costly mistakes. Your best move today is to start learning, experimenting, and building knowledge in these areas. Whether that means exploring AI tools, creating digital content, or understanding how blockchain works, every step brings you closer to positioning yourself ahead of the curve. Remember, wealth isn't just about money. It's about having the freedom to live life on your terms. The next big wealth opportunity offers that freedom to those willing to prepare and act. So take that first step now. The future belongs to those who show up ready. Will you be one of them? If this video resonates with you, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs a little push. I'll see you in the next video.